Hello, this is Ki with RunScore. One of the last videos we demonstrated a 5K, 10K race that had both distances using the same start and the finish line, but we also had a split point that was used as a checkpoint to confirm that the 10Kers actually ran the full distance. Today I'd like to expand on that and show you how we handle that. What we do on those races is we set up a checkpoint on the course, and we recommend that you use the farthest point on the 10K that ensures that the people actually ran the whole distance. And this has to be a unique point that the 5K runners or walkers will not pass. This split point will be set up out there, and we'll use that in our awards and our results files to go ahead and do that. The first thing we showed you was we set the race short. All this does is takes all the runners with a race equal to R, which is the value we used for the 10K, and selected race and replaced it with 5. If you had a long distance walker that would allow in the 10K, we would change that to walker, so all of the people would come back as 5K or walk at the start of the after the start of the race. The next thing we're going to do is look at the awards all, and you'll notice we have a macro up here to identify 10K runners. We set the race with an RSM to where we select the race is not equal to wheelchair and the race is not equal to DNF, did not finish, did not start, or whatever, if people that are not there. Selecting the bib number greater than 0, and we'll select the event, which allows us to look at the split event and show it the less than the finish time. So anyone that had a split time after the finish will be ignored. So those people that run the race and may jog afterwards aren't accidentally picked up as a 10K runner. We'll select the race and selected message R. So every time this is run for the awards all, and you'll notice we also do that in the results files, we run that, so it will look to see anybody that made it to the split. It will replace the race value to R. Update all entries will update all the other things from the entries.ini file, and will allow those people to show up now as 10Kers instead of all 5Kers. So now you've just ensured that people that ran the full course make it there. Since we've been using this in my scoring, we've only had one complaint of people not showing up with somebody running beside them that could confirm. But we've also had 4 people come up and say, well, I never saw a checkpoint. Well, then you probably didn't run the exact course. So anyway, it's a very simple, very easy way to confirm. We also have done it on a race before, to where we have actually done on a turkey trot. We have done a check on the 10K that was unique to the 10K course, so we changed them to T for 10K. The 15K check, we changed them to R, and now everybody that decided that day to run those distances only showed up because they ran the correct course and ran it correctly. So it's a very simple system, very nice, very easy to use, and hopefully you will be able to use this in the future if you have a course that, say, has a same start and finish, and you're worried about getting the people that actually just didn't mill around the start of the finish. You can actually check on the course the furthest point out that they actually ran that day. If you have any questions on this or any of the other videos, please contact us at support, and we will talk to you shortly on one of the next videos.